Dear friends, today we have the newspaper of 13th April 2025. Start with the first news, that is Tamil Nadu notify 10 act after SC teams assent implicits. 3 killed in violation spark by WAF Act in West Bengal. 2 militant soldiers killed in Jammu and Kashmir. Central government site start using Hindi web address. Sukhbir re-elected as Akali Dal chief, draw aides of opposition. Ambedkar University suspend 5 students amid ongoing protests. Atal canteen to come up near slums cluster constructions site CM. Working to ensure no flood occur this monsoon. Parvez. Do not limit Shivaji to Maharashtra. Home Minister appeal to the youth. Jalandhar grenade blast. Man accused arrested from Delhi. Karnataka caste census report propose hiking OBC reservation to 51%. AIDMK mortgage TN by allying with BJP Stalin. BJP will boom in state, say New Tamil Nadu BJP chief Negathan. SP chief vote to stand by party MP amid clamour for apology over remark on Rana Sangha. Congress must talk about status of Indi bloc Shiv Sena UBT. In Bihar, prohibitions is a toll to harass the poor Dalit Tejasvi. NIA grill Tavur Rana for second consecutive day to probe larger conspiracy. Derogatory speech by a person holding a top post condemnable. TN Governor, ministers apologize. Erlelka stance may poses challenges to government. Work begin on model township for Wayanad landslide survivor. Kerala government approve action plan for child secure state. Deploy central forces in Murshidabad, say court. BJP blame Mamata Banerjee for anti-Hindu violence in Bengal. Methi group slams cookie dictate against annual pilgrimage. Telangana model caste count in Bihar if Congress is voted to power in a state. Jignesh. President ought to consult Supreme Court on bills referred by the governor. Governor lead by extraneous considerations in discharge of his function, observes SC. SC recall first president's struggle over Hindu Code Bill assent in 1951. Ahmedabad resolution, a battle cry to defend dignity, democracy, say Congress. First test flight of Saras Mk2 plane expected in December 2027 officials. WAF Act is a complex law, result of a long dialogue, say Jain Chaudhary. India voted in favor of first global carbon tax on shipping. New working group on malnutrition induced diabetes. Business jet owners wrestles with Adani over evacuation notice. Mumbai airport asked them to shift impose 20 crore per fees. BAOB says parking is an aeronautical service determined by the tariff regulators. NPCI UPI service restored, monitoring situation closely. India has the potential to be a key player in global auto supply chain. Venom characteristic of Russell Viper linked to local climate. Study find a shift in peak time of maximum rainfall. quicker, inexpensive indigestion TB tests developed. What has the SC rule on TN governor? How will genetic mapping of India's help? In the global genomic landscape, how well is the ethologist and sociocultural diversity of India captured? Which are the group that have been included? Who has been left out? Which language group did this study cover? How will it help the government devise health policy? An atomic tug of war. Iran, which has come under increased pressure since the start of Gaza war, has taken up the effort for talk for the fourth by US President Donald Trump, who has been threatened military actions in combinations with Israel if these discussions were fail. Iran US start talk under shadow of regional conflict. Israel take control of key corridor in southern Gaza. Trump administration says it will exclude some electronic from reciprocal tariffs. Russia launches scores of drone on Ukrainian injury for Abhishek Head and Lady Luck help surprises snap losing stock. That's from my side, friend. See you soon. Jai Hind.